1950s Classic Men's Grooming presents How to Style a Slick Back DA with Union Stronghold Pomade. Reset your hair with water to its natural position. First, comb your hair neatly into place. Grab some Union Stronghold Pomade. Scoop small amounts at a time and rub evenly onto the palm of your hands. Apply the pomade thoroughly to ensure an even application. Now, with a styling comb, slick your hair back. Form your DA by combing each end of the hair on the back of your head towards the middle. Then crease the center. Get yours in this handsome package today.